poem just to thank all the chefs and the Cordon Bleu for our wonderful experience. And it's only fitting that we read it together. Those of you that know us, we are the twins of the Cordon Bleu, so we want to say thank you. So uniforms pressed and clean and wiped. We started in Basic Cuisine, superior so far out of sight.
In the demo room, we watched chefs so comfortable with a knife. Who would have known that tiny chopped vegetable could cause such a strife?
We progressed to eggs, and then fish, and then meat, and then actually producing something good to eat. For etuvée, make sure you use a shallow low pan, Sautoir, sauteuse, and ramekin for a flan.
Measuring ingredients, lighting cooktops, filleting fish with butter and cream, the essentials to every dish. It's in the details, the chef would say. The dish would transform in every way.
On to intermediate and learning about the regions of France, from pigeon to choucroute, and then the Cassoulet Dance. The multitude of sauces and over 200 ways to cook potatoes just right. Skim the stock and roll the ballotine nice and tight.
Superior came after a slight break during COVID time, but as luck would have it, it was to demos online. Chef did his best to show practicals, the flavor and textures in 2D, but we were very happy that in-person demos would resume for us to see.
Sure, there have been times when we thought a salt extractor would be a treat, and another when sugar made its way into the salt, making our savory sweet. There have been days when we thought that chef had moved the clock forward in time. For some reason we thought we had better managed our time.
There are occasions where we imagine the plate so refined, boiled potatoes and basil chips and puree in a perfect line, transforming those ingredients from production part. It's all basic science, or is it art?
As long as you cut small pieces, even to the discerning eye, the sauce will be beautiful, like diamonds in the sky. Alia, thank you for all for an incredible ride, taking us out of our comfort zone and for being our guide.
Chefs, you gave us a gift that we appreciate quite a lot, the confidence and the abilities to do what we sought.
To Le Cordon Bleu, we are grateful to you for the memories and experiences and the friendships so true.